How do I find a vacation home on R.M.V.H., Alaska? I have spent days looking all over the internet on other sites.
Your search is over with one click. You can search 83 sites by location and other selections with over 70,000 homes listed.
How would I go about making a reservation and paying for it? I wonder if I can afford a vacation home.
That's what's great, you rent directly from the vacation homeowner and save. Some owners take credit cards and that's built into the checkout process.
But what if I have to cancel the reservation? What about getting my deposit back?
Some homeowners on Rent My Vacation Home offer insurance built into the checkout system. So there is no deposit and you can cancel at any time with a full refund.
Is it free to search and save the vacation home listings for vacationers?
Over 100,000 vacationers have saved the search so far.
How do I get started?
Just click on the map location or search by city and state.
How do you know so much about Rent My Vacation Home?
I'm one of the 70,000 vacation homeowners.
How much does that cost you? Do you pay by the reservation and a monthly fee?
That's the best part, there is no contract. The first month is free and then after that it's only $16 a month and I cancel online. There is no other charge of any kind.
I see why all my friends and family use Rent My Vacation Home. Why do you list your home for rent on this site?
That's easy, with the price and service there is no alternative. They have been on all major news reports on CBS, NBC, ABC and Fox. Their ads are on the front page of Google.
Does it take long to list your home on Rent My Vacation Home?
It took me only 10 minutes to make the listing, but they offer to make your listing free. Just call 800-699-7684, open all the time.
Where are these 83 websites and offices?
There is an office and a website for every state and major city in the USA.
Okay, I am ready to have some fun and find my vacation home.
Look, I had a call that a reservation is waiting. If I approve it, the money will be deposited into my account within seconds.
Rocks have vacations.
Stop it.